Today, I am going to introduce Solcex to you. Currently, the price of Solcex is 0.003, but I am predicting Solcex to hit $10, and here is my reason. But before we dive in, I want to also let you know that the gap between 0.003, which is the price as of today, the 5th of April 2025, to my predicted price of $10 lies a very big gap, which is orchestrated or contains risk. But in between these risks too is the reward. First of all, what is Solcex? Solcex is the first centralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. What is Solana? Solana is a blockchain, and it is among the popular blockchains in crypto. So for the sake of this video, I am going to make a detailed data-driven analysis about Solana blockchain and other 6 most popular blockchains. Remember, we have 6 here: Avalanche, Polkadot, ADA, Tron, Ethereum, BNB, and Solana. These are not just the whole list of the blockchains we have, but these are the most popular. So we are going to make this analysis comparing different blockchains with their daily active users, their daily transactions, and total value locked, and how it is going to affect Solana and indirectly affect Solcex's success in the long run. So Avalanche have daily active users of 92,300 persons and a daily transaction of 3 million with a total value locked of 1.3 billion. Polkadot have 11,500 daily active users with 1.8 million in transactions and 0.7 billion in estimated total value locked. We have ADA with daily active users of 42,900 and 71,500 daily transactions and 231 million in total value locked. We have Tron with 2.2 million daily active users with 7.6 million daily transaction and 7.3 billion in total value locked. We have Ethereum with 1 million daily active users, 5 to 9 million transactions, and a total value locked that is far below. We have BNB with 1.5 million daily active users and 3 to 5 million daily transactions and a far below total value locked. Now, Solana has a daily active users of 5.1 million, by far the highest. The nearest was 1.5, and a daily transaction of 81.5 million with a total value locked of 8.6 billion. Now, at the total value locked, look at 8.6 billion and look at the nearest, which is Tron, 7.3. Now, with this being said, this is to tell you that Solana is the king of meme coins, and it is a go-to place for builders. Because of what? Solana has cheap fees and fast transactions. Now, remember I said that Solcex is the first centralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. So let's compare the transactions going on Solana. Now, the transaction going on Solana is 81.5 million daily, that is in 24 hours. Now, if Solcex is able to process just 10% of the transactions here on their exchange, they are already successful. And why do I say that? 10% of 81.5 million daily transactions is 8,150,000 in transactions. And this is a good volume for a centralized exchange, even for the start. Okay, I want to also let you know that other centralized exchanges have their own native tokens. And I also want to tell you where the native tokens are, so that you can see what is coming for Solcex. So let's dive in here. First of all, there is CoinMarketCap ranking. There is the name of the centralized exchange native token. There is the market cap, the all-time low, the current price, and the total supply. So we are starting with BNB with a CoinMarketCap ranking of 5. Now, BNB has a market cap of $85 billion and an all-time low of 0.09. And the current price is $585 with a total value with a total supply of 142 billion. So if a coin with a total supply of 142 billion did $85 billion market cap, you know what it is. Now the next is BitGet with a coin market cap ranking of 23. BitGet token. BitGet token have a market cap of $5.4 billion and an all-time low of 0.05. With a current price, the current price of BitGet token is $4.5 and the total supply is what? 1.2 billion. Now we have CRO with a coin market cap ranking of 35 and a market cap of $2.5 billion and the all-time low is 0.01 and the current price is 0.09 with 97 billion total supply. We have 33 on a coin market cap list for OKB, which is the OKEX exchange native token, with $2.9 billion in market cap and an all-time low price of $1.2 and the current market price is $48. Now the total supply is 300 million tokens. We have Cake. Cake is a decentralized exchange. Let's go. Cake, the coin market cap ranking is 94. The market cap is $539 million and the all-time low is 0.00002 and with the current market price of 1.8 and the total supply is 374 million. Now Uniswap, a decentralized exchange too, the coin market cap ranking is 28 with a market cap of $3.7 billion and an all-time price of 0.4 with a current price of $5.9 and $1 billion in total and 1 billion in total tokens. Now let me tell you this. BNB, BitGet, CRO and OKEX are all centralized exchanges and they are standing in the first 50. They are standing, in fact, they are standing in the first 33 in the coin market cap ranking. Now let me tell you something. Solcex have a coin market cap ranking of 1,537 and the current market cap is $2.5 million and the all-time low is 0.001 and the current price is 0.003 and the total supply is 1 billion. Now factor Solcex climbing up the ladder of coin market cap ranking from 1,537 to first 33 on the coin market cap ranking. You know what that is going to mean for Solcex. That is one. Number two, if all of these native tokens did this, why won't Solana, why won't Solcex do this? And why will Solcex do this? Solcex will do this because number one, their blockchain has the highest number of transactions. Number two, Solana has the highest number of VC backends. And number three, the exchange itself is newbie user friendly. Now, let me ask you, with all the points I have marshaled out, do you think that Solcex to $10 is an exaggeration, or you think is what is going to happen? Remember, most of these native tokens rose from 0 points below $1 and went to up as high as $585 for like BNB. Now, if Solcex does $10, that is a $10 billion in market cap. And has any centralized exchange token here did it? Yes, they have done it. BNB have done it. CRO have done it. Uniswap is 1 billion. Let me tell you, Solcex at the current price now is a good risk to take, considering how the whole crypto frenzy is favoring Solana. And again, Solana have been favored to be in the US crypto strategic reserve. And not just that, Solana is made in the USA, meaning that trades and investment in Solana in the United States of America will attract zero taxes, and this will suggest or encourage investors to start putting in money in Solana. Probably I am predicting Solana to hit $2,500, but remember, a win for Solana is a win for Solcex. Please, If you are looking for something to invest in and make a good profit, Solcex is a good example for you. Imagine how much you could make riding from 0.003 to $10. That is more than 1000x. But also remember this: nobody is lucky in this part of the earth. Everybody here is a risk taker. And mind you, no risk, no reward. See you on the next one.